Most creators are building their entire lives inside a sandbox that they don't own. They have the fans, the fame, and the money, but it is all balanced on a foundation of glass. And the scariest part, most people don't realize how fragile it is until the glass starts to break. Adrian looked like a superstar. 500,000 subscribers, millions of views. Every video he posted went viral. On the outside, he was set for life. But inside, Adrian felt a strange nervousness he couldn't explain. Like he was running a race on a treadmill that someone else could turn off at any second. Adrian's mistake was invisible because he was winning. He had built reach, which means that a lot of people saw him, but he hadn't built ownership. He was a guest on someone else's digital land. If the social media apps decides to stop showing his videos, Adrian's business would simply stop existing. Over time, the fun of creating turned into fear. Every time he uploaded a video, he held his breath. If the views were low, he felt like a failure. He was successful, yes, but he wasn't free. He was constantly chasing an algorithm that didn't care about his future. Then the foundation cracked. The platform changed its rules, and suddenly Adrian's videos were invisible. The brand deals stopped coming. The money slowed down. Years of hard work felt like they were disappearing because the landlord of the social media app decided to change the locks. And that was the moment Adrian understood the truth, that views are just attention you borrow, that real business is about the relationship you own. He realized that a content creator without their own system is just a performer waiting for permission to be heard. So Adrian stopped chasing the viral high. He started building the plumbing of his business. He created a way to talk to his fans directly through an email list he controlled. He stopped asking the algorithm for permission and started building a home where his fans could find him anytime. That singular change was like magic. For the first time, Adrian's business didn't depend on luck. He wasn't waking up in a panic, checking his social media stats. He had built a foundation made of trust and direct connection. And that is a foundation that doesn't break. You see, ownership changes everything. It turns a stressful job into a resilient empire. Adrian stopped being a creator who survived platform cycles and started being an owner who designed his own future. Because when you own the land, you don't have to worry about the landlord, because you are, in fact, now the landlord. If your business feels like it is built on glass, it is time to start building on stone, because Glasses are fragile. I have opened a private creator ecosystem where I show you how to build your own ownership systems and direct trust from your followers. The link is below. And tell me honestly in the comments, are you building a business you truly own? Or are you just borrowing space until the social media landlord changes his mind?